In this video, I will tell you about environment. One chapter is there in class 7, environment. Then, what is environment? And what are the different parts of environment? What is natural environment? And last point is uh, human environment. Then, natural environment, parts of environment, human environment, ecosystem. These are the terms that we are to discuss in this video. These terms we will discuss. It is for class 7 and not for class 7, it is for class all. Environment for higher class also. Then what is environment? For 7 class you can say environment means surrounding. Surrounding means the you see a cover, atmospheric cover, social cover, environmental cover that surround us and give us a condition to survive. Then in simple language we can say environment refers to a condition created by the silent interaction of all biotic and abiotic elements of nature in which we get, or any living beings get, you see conducive, you see you see a condition suitable for his life, suitable for life. Environment means the condition created by the silent interaction of all biotic and abiotic elements of nature in which we survive. This is environment. एक ऐसी स्थिति पैदा करते हैं ये सारे जीवित और निर्जीव वस्तुएं आपस में इंटरेक्शन करके कि हम उसमें जिंदा रह पाते हैं। इसको ही हम एनवायरनमेंट कहते हैं, इसको हम वातावरण कहते हैं। हिंदी में हमारे आसपास जो व्यवस्था सराउंडिंग होती है उसको हम एनवायरनमेंट कहते हैं, लेकिन वो बच्चों के लिए है। एनवायरनमेंट एक कंडीशन है, एक ऐसी व्यवस्था, एक ऐसी स्थिति है जिसमें हम जिंदा रहते हैं। और वो स्थिति बनता कैसे है? बनता है साइलेंट इंटरेक्शन से, एकदम शांत परस्पर क्रियाओं से। और वो शांत क्रियाएं कौन लोग करते हैं, कौन एलिमेंट्स करते हैं? सभी जीव और निर्जीव एलिमेंट्स एक्शन करके, एक्शन रिएक्शन करके एक वातावरण पैदा करते हैं जिसमें हम जिंदा रह पाते हैं, सांस ले पाते हैं। और ये निर्जीव सजीव वातावरण है कौन? तो उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट। Natural components are there of environment, and these components are land, water, air, sunshine, sunlight. These are the natural components. Man-made components are also a part of environment, just as road, dams, irrigational canals, bridges, industries, schools. These are the man-made components of environment. Next is human components. Human components means individual. A person is also an element of environment. Family and community, nation. These are the parts of environment: natural components, man-made components, human components. Natural components are created by nature: air, water, land, soil, all these things. Human components created by human beings, the that is bridge, roads, schools, stations, all you see man-made things. Human components consist of human beings, individual, फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी। तो इस तरीके से पार्ट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट। अब नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट क्या है, प्राकृतिक जो वातावरण क्या है, then the things created by nature are called natural environment, and these are of two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means the things that have life, abiotic means the things that does not, the things that do not have life। निर्जीव और सजीव दोनों मिलके ये नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट बनाते हैं। तो ये नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट को, नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज हैबिटेट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म। हैबिटेट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म मीन्स जीवों के रहने का जगह। और इसके थ्री लेयर्स हैं नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट: लैंड, वाटर, एयर, प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स are called the domain or realms of our earth, and there are four realms, four domains of natural environment. Lithosphere, the land component of the earth is called lithosphere, and it is most important for our living. Hydrosphere means the water component or water bodies right from ocean, sea, river up to well. These ponds, lakes, these are the water component of the environment, and they are called hydrosphere. Atmosphere, atmosphere, the cover of the gaseous cover in which the whole earth is covered, in which the whole earth is packed, is called atmosphere. Next is biosphere. Biosphere, the living world, the living world, the world in which we live. Then, then one is ecosystem. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is a relationship between the living organism and the relationship between the organism and the surrounding. The relationship between the living organism and also the relationship between the living organism and surrounding. There are different types of ecosystem. Desert, pond is also a type of ecosystem. Human settlements is also a type of ecosystem in which human beings live. Pond is also a type of ecosystem in which different types of aquatic animals, plants, amphibians live around and in it. Then ecosystem is also the relationship between living organism and the relationship between the living organism and surrounding. A person living in desert may find it difficult to live in plain region in a equatorial region, or we can say in a rainforest region. A, an aquatic animal cannot live on land. Therefore, different living beings have different ecosystem. Then it is human environment. Human environment is also very important. Human environment, the relationship between human social system and ecosystem is called human environment. Our social system and ecosystem, there is a relationship between our social system and ecosystem, that is called human environment. And human environment, human activities are related to it. Agricultural activities, industrial activities, activities regarding depletion of forest cover, these activities, human activities, due to greed and due to population pressure and due to greed, two reasons are there. We have destroyed, we are um, we are bent on destroying आवर इन्वायरमेंट। तो इस तरीके से इकोसिस्टम है, ह्यूमन इन्वायरमेंट है, और इन्वायरमेंट के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं एंड डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हैं। और इस प्रश्न का उत्तर हम लोगों ने ढूंढा है इस जो इस चैप्टर में जितने प्रश्न होंगे वो सारे आंसर हम लोग लिख चुके हैं। ये वीडियो मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि आप इसको देख के चैप्टर को समझ लें। थैंक यू। हम समझते हैं आपको ये वीडियो समझ आएगा, पसंद आएगा। आप इसको लाइक करें, खूब देखें, इसको 2 बार देखें, 4 बार देखें, जिससे बात समझ में आ जाए। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस टाइम।